Hello friends, I am Kadam Akanksha presenting a lecture on a variable valve timing means VVT. In this lecture, we will discuss about what is the VVT, what are the challenges, benefit, example and conclusion of a VVT. So first we start introduction. Variable valve timing (VVT) is the process of altering the timing of a valve lift event and is often used to improve performance, fuel economy, or emissions. It is increasingly being used in combination with variable valve lift systems. There are many ways in which this can be achieved, ranging from mechanical devices to hydraulic and camless system. Increasingly strict emissions regulations are causing many automotive manufacturers to use VVT system. Two-stroke engines use a valve system to get similar result to VVT. This is the introduction of a VVT. So next is the definition. Internal combustion engines need fuel and air to function. These are brought in through intake valves, which open and close during the intake stroke of the piston. The valves used in the automotive fields are generally poppet valves. They normally are flat and circular at the bottom end and taper upward into a thin stream. The combustion process results in a gases being formed and these leaves through exhaust gases valves during the exhaust stroke. Can control these valves and some cars use separate cams for intake and exhaust valves. Generally, the exhaust valves remains open for up to 20-degree crankshaft rotation during the intake stroke because the momentum of the outgoing exhaust gases help to bring in the intake charge and then the intake charge help remove the remainder of the exhaust gas. So next is what are the challenges of the VVT? The main factor preventing this technology from wide use in production automobiles is the ability to produce a cost effective means of controlling the valve timing under the condition internal to an engine. An engine operating at a 3000 revolution per minute with rotation the crankshaft 25 times per second. So the valve timing events have to occur at a precise time to offer performance benefits. Electromagnetic and pneumatic camless valves offer the greatest control of the precise valve timing, but in 2016 are not cost effective for production vehicles. These are the challenges. So next is benefit of the VVT benefit to fuel consumption and emission. EGR means exhaust gas recirculation is commonly adopted technology to reduce emission and improve fuel efficiency. However, it is VVT that really exploded the fuel potential of a EGR. In theory, maximum overlap is needed between intake valves and exhaust valves opening whenever the engine is running at a high speed. However, when a car is running at a medium speed in a highway, in other words, the engine is running at a light load, maximum overlapping may be useful as a to reduce fuel consumption and emission since the exhaust valves does not close until the intake valves has been open for a while. Some of the exhaust gases are recirculated back into the cylinder at the same time as the new fuel or a air mix is ejected. As part of the fuel or air mix is replaced by exhaust gas, less fuel is needed. Because of exhaust gas compress of mostly non-combustible gas such as CO2, the engine runs properly at the learner fuel or air mixture without falling to combust. This is the benefit. So there are a four example of a VVT. First is BMW, General Motors, Honda, Nissan and Toyota. These are the example of a VVT. So what is the conclusion of a VVT? Variable valve timing technology has grown as the technological availability increases. The need for every more efficient, clean, powerful engines has pushed the bar higher within production automotive engines. The trend towards computer control is rapidly approaching a limit within the CAM engine world, and the jump into camless design is something of the future that hold much promise. Within only a few years, many of the problems have been solved within this existing new field and within a new more years. There is really no idea where development could be. Much like VVT, in the CAM engine, it will take more research and time to more the electromagnetic system over into production. If you like this video, then please like, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much.